Welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to trade Dash on Whitebit Exchange. First of all, you have to register to Whitebit Exchange by clicking the link I've provided in the description box below. By clicking the link, you'll be redirected to sign up page of Whitebit Exchange where you have to fill information, that is password, confirm password, agree to the user agreement and your email ID. By clicking on register, you will get an email about confirmation of new account on Whitebit Exchange. Click on the confirmation link and your account will be created. Once done, sign in to Whitebit Exchange by providing same information used while sign up process. After sign in, first step you have to do is complete your KYC process. Now, to complete your KYC, you have to click on options where you'll find security. Click on security and you'll see verification option. You need to fill all the detailed information as per asked. You need to enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, birthday, your gender, your residential address, select the city, your country, your house or apartment and your area zip code. Once done, click on next step where you have to fill the information about your ID, your country, and again click on next step where you have to take a selfie of yourself holding a piece of paper with whitebit.com and particular date written on it. Once you've clicked the photo and submitted, the profile will be under review by the team. Once the profile is approved by the team, you will receive email notification about the approval of your KYC. Now, let's see how to trade Dash on Whitebit Exchange. First of all, go to exchange option and type Dash in the search box and select the currency with which you have to exchange Dash. USDT, Bitcoin and Ethereum are three pairs you can exchange your Dash with. Once you select the pair, enter the total amount of Dash you want to exchange. Click on agree to user agreement and click on exchange. Now to buy or sell Dash, go to live trading and search for Dash. Select the pair accordingly. These are the selling and buying orders of Dash. This is where you put buy orders and this is where you put sell orders. This is available balance in BTC. Click on topmost selling order. Click on max if you want to purchase entire amount of Dash. Once done, you will be asked to confirm the order and order will be executed. You can put the price of your own choice. Here I have selected first order to show you guys how it works. As you can see, the trade is executed and we have Dash in our balance. Now to sell Dash, click on first buying order and select the entire amount. Click on send and confirm the order. You will see Dash is sold. Go to balance and you can see we have BTC in our balance. Let's check out the instant send feature of Whitebit Exchange. Click on codes. Then you have to select the currency. Make sure you have little bit of balance in your account. Click on max and click on create code. You'll be sent an email to confirm the code. Once confirmed, your code will be created. As you can see, new code has been generated for Dash of this amount. Click and copy the code. Click on activate window and paste the copied code in the window. Now complete the CAPTCHA and your code will be created. Wait for few seconds and new tab will turn into activated. Once done, refresh your page. Now you can see changes where tab is turned into activated and the code is generated. Now transfer your Dash instantly with Whitebit Exchange users.